Hi guys, I'm Chris Wilson and this is the Helpful Home Service Guy series. Hey guys, today I want to talk a little bit about high velocity systems. We specialize in these systems, not everyone does, and it's something that can be retrofit into a home that never had forced air ductwork. Okay, so these are systems that will allow us to get to areas of your home with smaller ductwork, okay, like you see here, and we can fish these sometimes through walls, through closets, through ceilings and floors, almost like an electrician would fish a wire, okay? Homes like Center Hall Colonials are nice, easy ones to be able to do. Homes like Cape Cods that are a little more difficult, where you build a lot of heat and those upper bedrooms are almost in an attic space. Row homes where you have no attic space or none that you're aware of anyways, we can oftentimes find a space within the house to put the air handler. This is the blower and the coil that moves the air through the system. And then up above in that tiny crawl that you may not even be aware exists, we can run this main supply trunk and all of these individual supply feeds that run to each of these outlets that will then cool your home. One of the really nice benefits to a high velocity system, one is that when we install it in your home, generally speaking, there's not a lot of work to be done afterwards. There's typically not soffits involved in most homes. These units go in existing spaces that are already in your house, be it an attic, a basement, or a closet, okay? And there's very little work to be done afterwards. I always talk about high velocity being arthroscopic surgery, not full body open chest cavity surgery. The other thing that's really great about a high velocity system is the way that the coil is constructed. These systems remove about 30% more humidity than a standard system does with each pass of the air. So you can get really nice, dry, comfortable air out of a high velocity system.